What's up you guys? I'm back with a sneaker unboxing video. Today we have something that the guys at Adidas sent over to me. And I'm excited because it's my second pair of 3D printed shoes. The first one being the Alpha Edge. So what I have with me is the Adidas 4D Forward 2. Now this one is, like the name suggests, Forward 2. So it's a rework of the 4D Forward that came out sometime last year. And this is quite an improvement over that model. Let me quickly run you through the details. The first and most important thing, of course, the outsole. This time it comes with Continental rubber. So the earlier version of the 4D Forward didn't have Continental rubber, and the benefit of having this, of course, is better traction, better durability as well. Obviously, the first thing you're going to notice is actually the Lattice Midsole. Now this entire thing has been 3D printed. From what I read, they've done about 5 million iterations after they finally arrived or finalized this one. And just looking at it, I can tell you it's way more different than the one that was on the Alpha Edge 4D. While the Alpha Edge compressed downwards, this specific pair compresses forwards. So when you step, it doesn't go down this way, it goes this way, so it pushes you ahead. And that, when I wore it on feet, it was very obvious. As for the upper, you have this entire white panel is engineered mesh right here. And then you have this gray hyperfused bits. And right on top of that, this black bit right here is Prime Knit Plus. And now from what I know, I think 40% of the pair is made from recycled plastic. And that's evident also from the insole, which says end plastic waste. I think almost every single pair that I get from Adidas nowadays has recycled. I mean, I think they barely use virgin plastic anymore. You have these lace eyelets right on top to secure the fit, but I've always found these to be snug enough to not even need the laces in the first place. In terms of sizing, I would say go up half a size if you have the option, because this is really quite snug. I'm sweating because I'm in running gear and I'm probably going to go for a run to test these, because I can't do like a lifestyle test of these shoes. When we come to the back of the pair now, you have a much more reinforced and padded heel counter. This keeps your lockdown really firm, and that's something that I'm a big fan of. Right off the bat, you can tell that this shoe is heavy when you hold it in hand. It's heavier compared to other running models, so I wouldn't recommend this for like a marathon kind of a runner. But if you're a lifestyle runner like me, or a sneakerhead who also likes to run, this could double up as a casual as well as a running pair. So the standout bit of the shoe again is the midsole, and it's made out of resin. Adidas uses this technology where they drop in this resin and they pass light through it, which is how it's 3D printed. And the pair is called a 4D because although it's 3D printed, the fourth dimension of the 4D is because of Adidas bringing in their know-how to put this product in place. The way they envision it is at some point of time you'll be able to walk into an Adidas store, check your foot, check your stride, and then have one custom made to fit your exact specifications. The lace eyelets as well as the 3 stripes here are all hyperfused. This bit right here, stretchy, is your Prime Knit Plus, and this orange bits as well, hyperfused. Now that's it for this pair's details. I'm gonna slip them on feet, do a quick run, and come back to you. In the meanwhile, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And that's how it looks on feet. Like I was saying, in terms of sizing, if you have the option, go up a half size because it's quite snug. So I wear a UK 8 in most of my other shoes, and this is a UK 8 as well. And that's about it for this video. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.